Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in the USA. Today's building we find in Decatur. We are flying over the historic Decatur Union Depot today. Welcome to Decatur, Alabama, where we're flying over historic Decatur Union Depot today. This iconic structure, built in 1905 by the Southern Railway, stands as a testament to the city's deep railroad heritage, dating back to the 1830s when the first railroad west of the Allegheny Mountains was established. Designed by architect Frank Milburn, the depot features a Spanish Revival style with white-painted bricks and decorative coins, reflecting its historical charm. Once a bustling hub shared by the Southern and Louisville and Nashville railroads, it served passengers until the late 1970s, hosting notable figures like Franklin D. Roosevelt and Elvis Presley. After years of neglect, a careful restoration preserved its original high ceilings, doors, windows, and brick walls, turning it into a museum celebrating rail history. Inside, visitors can explore a collection of vintage artifacts, model trains, and graphic panels that trace Decatur's rail legacy. The building also offers a viewing platform for train watching and a picnic area, enhancing its community appeal. Set against the city's evolving skyline, the depot blends history with modern use, serving as a cultural landmark. Historic Decatur Union Depot invites travelers to step into the golden age of rail travel. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.